In this video, I'll guide you through how to download music from YouTube using mobile phone and laptop. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. First, let's start with mobile phone. To download music from YouTube using mobile phone, first to open a web browser. For this video, I am going with Google Chrome and then search for studio.youtube.com. Then click on this three dot icon and enable desktop site. Now you zoom in a little bit and click on this music icon. Now you choose the music which you want to download using mobile phone and tap on it. Then the download button will be appear. Now click on download button. By following this tutorial, you can easily download music from YouTube using mobile phone. To download music from YouTube using PC, first log into the YouTube Studio. After logging to YouTube Studio, you need to click on Audio Library. Then on this YouTube Audio Library page, you will find all the songs. To download any of this, first to hover on the music, then you will find the download button will appear here. Then click on the download button. By following this tutorial, you can easily download music from YouTube using PC.